Are you losing your self-confidence with your baldness? Don't worry, we are here to reload your confidence with the help of advanced hair transplantation technique. Hi, I am Dr. Durga Kalyani, Chief Dermatologist and Trichologist at Keha Skin and Hair Clinic, Srinagar Colony, Hyderabad. So hair transplantation is an advanced, simple, easy surgical procedure that I want to talk to you today. So who are the ideal candidates for hair transplantation? Actually, in males there are 7 grades of baldness will be there, and in females there are 3 grades of baldness will be there. So in males up to 4th grade we can reload the hair with the help of PRP procedure and stem cell therapy and with laser light therapy. But after 4th grade the roots will collapse. So at that time we have to do hair transplantation. In females there are 3 grades of baldness will be there. In first 2 stages we can do this PRP techniques. After 2nd grade, that means in 3rd grade of baldness, we have to do this hair transplantation. And what is hair transplantation? Hair transplantation means transplantation of hair from one place to another, that is from donor area to recipient area. What is donor area? Hair from where we are collecting is called donor area. That is mainly back of the scalp, that is occipital area, beard area and body hair. And where we are implanting is called recipient area. So we are transplanting hair from taking donor area and we are implanting into the recipient area. So in this hair transplantation technique there are 2 types will be there: follicular unit transplantation and follicular unit extraction. What is follicular unit transplantation? In this method we are taking a strip of skin from the back of the scalp and we are taking out that hair follicles and we are implanting into the recipient area. So in this some side effects will be there. Those are delayed wound healing, that pain related to suture material, those are all will be there. So we are now doing advanced hair transplantation technique, that is follicular unit extraction. In this follicular unit extraction, we are taking hair follicles from the donor area and injecting into the recipient area with the help of punch grafts. These type we are doing holes in the donor area and we are taking out the hair follicles and we are implanting into the recipient area. So this donor area will heal in 7 days, and this recipient area we have to take some measures after the procedure. So what is the post procedure care? Where we are implanting, there we have to wash the hair with normal saline for 2 days. After 2 days we have to use baby shampoo, and after 2 weeks we can use normal minoxidil, finasteride tablets and normal shampoos. So some people are asking how long this hair will stays in our scalp. So this donor area, whatever we are taking hair follicles, that is resistant to DHT. What is this DHT? Actually in our body testosterone will be there. This testosterone converts to dihydrotestosterone. This will cause miniaturization of hair, that is shortening of the hair and hair fall. So this donor area hair is resistant to dihydrotestosterone. So that hair will that hair will stay for more time. And what are the side effects with hair transplantation? Absolutely there will be no side effects with hair transplantation, because we are taking hair follicle from the patient and we are injecting into the same patient. So there will be no side effects. So overall hair transplantation is a simple minor surgical procedure with absolutely no side effects, but you have to go to proper center and you have to consult proper dermatologist, because they have to maintain sterile conditions while doing hair transplantation procedure. Otherwise you will get some sepsis like infections and other infections also. Many people are asking that what is the appropriate age for transplantation. So there is no age limitation for the hair transplantation, because we are seeing baldness in early 20s also because of hereditary patterns, pollutions and their stress. So we can go for hair transplantation at any age. There is no age limitation. So why are you waiting? Reload your confidence with hair transplantation.